In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy invoice branding themes in Xero. If you're managing multiple clients, seasonal promotions, or different regions, duplicating a branding theme in Xero is a fast way to create a consistent invoice look with just a few tweaks. Here's exactly how to do it, and what to watch for along the way. First, log into Xero. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the Sales area. From there, select Invoices. This brings you into the invoicing workspace where you can quickly access the settings tied to how your invoices look. Open any invoice on the list. It doesn't need to be a specific one. We're simply using it as a pathway to the right settings. Inside the invoice, look for the More Options menu, which appears as 3 dots in the corner. Click that, and then choose Invoice Settings. This is where all your branding themes live, including logos, colors, and layout preferences. On the Branding Themes page, locate the theme you want to use as your starting point. Maybe it's your standard layout or one you've already customized. When you find it, click Options next to that theme, and then select Copy. Xero will instantly create a duplicate of the selected theme so you can modify it without changing the original. You'll be prompted to enter a new branding theme name. Choose something clear and descriptive so you and your team can recognize it later, like including a client name, a region, or a purpose. Avoid generic labels so it's obvious which theme to apply when you're raising invoices. Now review the copied branding theme settings. This is your chance to confirm everything carried over correctly. Check the logo placement, color scheme, font choices, and any custom text or terms that appear on the invoice. Look over layout details such as columns, headers, and footers, and make sure payment details, due dates, and tax settings reflect what you want for this version. Small details like address formatting or reference fields can have a big impact on clarity, so take a moment to scan through each section. When you're satisfied, save the duplicated branding theme. That's it. The new theme is now available for use the next time you create or edit an invoice. By copying a branding theme in Xero, you can quickly spin up new invoice layouts and branding variations without starting from scratch. It's a simple way to keep your documents consistent, professional, and tailored to each need while preserving your original design.